In this video, we're going to compare the Oppo Find N6 versus the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Let's jump into it. We got the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and then we have the Oppo Find N6. Let's check out the speakers to see which one has better sound. On a song like this, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 has a more full, mature sound. The Oppo Find N6 sounds brighter, maybe even a little bit louder, just a teeny weeny amount, not much louder. I would give like the overall quality of the sound to the Galaxy Z Fold 7, but only by a little. It sounds more mature, like I said, and bassy, which is what I like. So I'd give the win to the Galaxy Z Fold 7.
What is going on? Welcome to Grego's TV Daily. Hope you're having a fantastic day. We're starting it off with the iPhone Fold. It looks like there's going to be two colors. What is going on? Welcome to Grego's TV Daily. Hope you're having a fantastic day. We're starting it off with the iPhone Fold. It looks like there's going to be two colors, and we kind of know what they're going to.
Yeah, and I do want to mention that I have Dolby Atmos turned on this, and then the Oppo Find N6 has their own version of Dolby Atmos. It's not Dolby Atmos, but it's their own version of it. So if you're going to ask me about that, both of them have it on. Galaxy Z Fold 7 sounds better. It sounds less muffled.
Are going to be a white/silver model.
And like bassier.
Those colors are going to be a white/.
This sounds more muffled. Again, I'm giving the win to the Galaxy Z Fold 7 for the overall better speakers. What about the cover displays on here? Galaxy Z Fold 7, Oppo Find N6. They're quite similar the way they look. There's not a huge amount of difference with the way that these look, but ultimately, when you do look at them, and I can make the icons a little bit bigger on the Galaxy Z Fold 7, but I like how the icons are bigger on the Oppo Find N6. When you look at the keyboard's bigger on the Oppo Find N6. That's a major thing that I personally would rather have. Here's the same kind of Google feed page on here, and these look really, really close. Obviously, it's a little bit bigger on the Oppo Find N6. The text is anyway. If I had to choose, I'm probably choosing the Oppo Find N6 for the cover display, but not by a whole lot, but it is a little bit bigger. So I'd choose the Oppo Find N6. Also, here's a video playing on both front displays, Z Fold 7, Oppo Find N6, and they're both very, very similar in terms of how they look and the size at what they are. If I was just watching videos on one of them, I don't know if I would pick one over the other, but if I had to choose a winner based off the size and all that, maybe the Oppo Find N6, but just by a small amount. What about the crease? Well, here's the Galaxy Z Fold 7. You can definitely see the crease in there. Let's check out the Oppo Find N6, almost completely gone. If you look at it at the right angle, you can see a little something going down, but it's definitely a crease that's basically not there at all when you look at them. It's very hard to see it on the Oppo Find N6, and the crease does not bother me the slightest bit seeing it on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. When you're using the phone, you almost never see it. And it's the same, obviously, on the Oppo Find N6 because it's barely negligible and seeable when it's there anyway. But, you know, like even when you're using it, it's going across this time. You can't see it in certain angles. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't bother you at all. But the crease winning on the front display, on the main display, I should say, definitely goes to the Oppo Find N6. Here's the same video playing on both phones where you get an idea of which one you think looks personally better, but they're basically, again, very, very similar to the same I would say that the Galaxy Z Fold 7, even on the front display too, is probably a little bit more vibrant in the color that it has, but I wouldn't say, when I look at them both personally, I wouldn't say one definitely looks better than the other. They're both playing at 4K in this video. They're both really, really nice displays. They both have about the same amount of black bars at the top and bottom of the display. But if you had to choose a display, most likely you're going to choose the Oppo Find N6, and that's because there's really no crease. Here's the camera apps. We'll do some comparisons of the photos and videos on all of these cameras in here, and I'll let you know which one I think looks and plays better in here. We're starting it off with the front cameras on the cover display. It's interesting how they handle the light differently. At least from what I can see, it looks like Samsung's doing a little bit better job with it. I could be wrong though. We'll have to see it in its final result. But let's check out the stabilization, see what these two are like. And the microphones, always an important feature because we're not always connecting a external microphone to these ones. But what do you guys think? Front cover camera. Next, we have the inside front cameras here. Here we go. Oh, let's go a little backlight on here. See which one handles it better. Definitely have different like color science as to what they like to do on here. I feel like, again, just looking at the screens, that I'm gonna like the Samsung one better, but again, we'll wait till I have these on my computer. Let's see, let's go backlight all the way here, see how that handles it. I mean, I wouldn't say, at least from here, that either one looks bad, but stabilization, microphones, which one do you think looks better? Front main display camera. I'll be curious to see which one I think looks better based off these tests I'm doing right now. There we go. Should look good, should look good. And then there should be a little backlight. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. So the camera test, video test, microphone's definitely better on the Oppo Find N6. They're louder, they pick up more. I do like the video more times than not better on the Galaxy Z Fold 7, except for the rear camera. I thought the Oppo Find N6 had a better rear video camera. Photos, I think, was pretty close. Sometimes I liked Fold 7, sometimes I liked Find N6, but I'd give the overall win to the Find N6 for the overall cameras. As for software on these, they both run Android. They have the latest version of Android on here. Samsung has, I always talk about this app, has an app called Good Lock that will allow you to really customize your phone. So customization definitely leads on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. They have this whole entire app. There's rumors Oppo is going to release a very similar app in the near future, but otherwise, they both have customizations and controls in here that you might personally want a little bit more one over the other. But very, very nice. They're both super fluid and fast nowadays. I wouldn't personally say I think that Oppo's a smoother phone, honestly. With its default animations, which I've since changed, the Oppo takes a little bit too long of an animation, whereas Samsung's a little bit quicker. But you can control those, which is great on the phones. But otherwise, you know, multitasking's great. They're just amazing folding phones, and it's really going to be preference of what you prefer. I personally prefer the software on Samsung because of Good Lock, the way that everything looks. I love their settings menu. Constant updates all the time. That's personally why I prefer Samsung over the Oppo Find N6 in terms of software. But this is, if I had to live with this, I'd be happy. Yeah, so for me, they're both excellent folding phones. Probably some of the best that you can either buy where you live or import into America or other places. They're both absolutely amazing. You're going to get better battery life on the Oppo Find N6, which if it works with all the carrier, bands that you live, you might want to grab this one. The battery life on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is pretty bad. Both of these phones are super fast and super powerful. This has the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, but it's missing a core. So the scores for it are almost similar in some ways to the Snapdragon 8 Elite. This is the full version with 8 cores. So you got to remember that. But both will game and perform really, really well and fast and be able to play and do anything that you want. When it comes down to the software, fit, finish, everything, I would personally choose the Galaxy Z Fold 7 for those reasons. But if, again, I kind of mentioned it earlier in the video, if I had to live, say this is the only dog in this fight, I would be completely happy and satisfied with the Oppo Find N6. It's really, really nice. I'm just so used to everything with the Samsung version that it's hard to ever leave that. And it's easier to buy, obviously, easier to get support where I live. And it works with basically any carrier I want here in the United States. That's another reason why I absolutely love it. But otherwise, Oppo Find N6 is awesome phone. Both phones are linked down below if you want to pick them up. It supports what I do. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you guys down the road. Peace.